Hi, this is Marina from Health Glows, a certified pro-vegan diet and healthy lifestyle coach. In this video, I'm teaching you how to make waffles, but low-fat raw vegan version of waffles. In my home country of Serbia, waffles are called grandma's biscuits. Thus, this recipe is very dear to my heart because it reminds me of my childhood and my grandma. But before we get on to this recipe, I want to share with you how I came up with the idea of making this very recipe. It all happened one day when I was strolling around a kitchen equipment store, and then all of a sudden I saw something that reminded me of the taste of my childhood. The smell of my grandma's kitchen and the cloud-like soft texture of a sweet taste with a hint of lemon and vanilla. Immediately, my brain started working 200 miles per hour. This ingredient has to be replaced with that ingredient. Yeah, that sounds just right. Then that ingredient needs to be replaced with, yes, that one. That's good. And then that one with that one. Eureka! A new recipe has just been born. So, without further ado, let's get to the recipe. The ingredients that you're gonna need are... And now, repeat carefully after me because we are about to learn a new waffle nomenclature together. Instead of eggs, we use sweet corn. Watch my video Corn on a Raw Diet to learn everything you need to know about eating corn on a raw diet. Instead of sugar, we use dried apples. I easily make dried apples myself just by dehydrating thin apple slices in a dehydrator. Personally, I like to add a bit of salty flavor to sweet ingredients because it emphasizes the sweetness of the sweet ingredients. Instead of salt, I add some dried celery. However, this ingredient is optional. Instead of flour, we use psyllium husk powder. Psyllium husk powder is obtained from the outer layer of the seed of the Plantago ovata plant. Most of psyllium husk powder consists of soluble fibers. Because of this composition, it has the property of absorbing water and swelling, thus creating a gel-like consistency. This ingredient is fantastic for making raw dough. You can order psyllium husk powder through the link in the description of this video. Instead of vanilla sugar, we use pure vanilla extract. There is a video on my YouTube channel in which I teach you how to easily make pure vanilla extract. The link for that video is in the description of this video. And we use the juice of half a lemon. The exact measurements of all ingredients can be found in the written form of this recipe on my website. The link is in the description of this video. Equipment: knife and chopping board, freezer and freezer bags. Blender, you can order it through the link in the description of this video. Dehydrator, you can order it through the link in the description of this video. Waffle silicone molds, you can order them through the link in the description of this video. Preparation. First step, freeze and thaw young fresh sweet corn. I highly suggest watching my video about raw corn. The link is in the description of this video. Then, use a knife to remove the kernels from the thawed and thus softened sweet corn. Field corn is harvested only when the kernels are dried on the cob, so it is used as a grain. Unlike field corn, young sweet corn is harvested when its kernels are full of corn milk and sweet, so it is used as a sweet vegetable. Now it's time to use the blender. Since blender is an extremely loud device, it is important to protect hearing first. Noise damage to the inner ear is accumulative over time, so the consequences usually show only after a couple of decades. In order to prevent those consequences, it is extremely important to protect hearing. I use these ear protectors, which you can order through the link in the description of this video. First, blend the dried apples. Then add corn kernels to the blended dried apples and blend these two ingredients together. If desired, you can add a salty ingredient that is dried celery. Do not blend immediately, but first, squeeze the juice of half a lemon into 1 cup. Add 1 teaspoon per each waffle of pure vanilla extract to the lemon juice. Commercial vanilla extract usually contains alcohol or glycerin. Luckily, it is very easy to make pure vanilla extract. Learn how through the link in the description of this video. Add the lemon juice and vanilla extract together to the blender jug. Blend all these ingredients together. At the very end, add psyllium husk powder, then blend it very briefly with the other ingredients. Some information about psyllium. Psyllium acts as a laxative because it has the ability to absorb water and create a gelatinous structure that easily slides through the intestines. However, if you consume psyllium for the first time, you may experience intestinal discomfort. Therefore, it is important to take psyllium in small amounts and to make sure that it is mixed well into the mixture. By no means should you consume it in its dry state, and you should drink a lot of water in general. In this recipe, we use only 2 grams, 0.07 ounces of psyllium husk powder per each waffle. Just look at this dough mixture we got. Well, this is a healthy dough. Fill your waffle mold with this dough. Place the filled mold in the dehydrator and dehydrate the waffles at 46 degrees Celsius for about 12 hours.
And now is the time when I'm finally going to reveal to you my teleportation powers! Teleportation through time! Because... woohoo!
I'll be back! And here I am again! 24 hours later.
Hi, here we are in the next day, again in my beautiful stove-less kitchen. So this is 24 hours later. However, these waffles were not being dehydrated for 24 hours, but only for 12 hours. So 12 hours in comparison to 24 hours doesn't seem that long, right? I am making this comparison just because I already know that some people are going to leave comments something like, "Oh, you want me to make those waffles for 12 hours?" No, the whole preparation takes about 20 minutes. And then the dehydrator does the rest of the job. Yes, the whole process takes about 12 hours, but how long is the process should not be our focus of attention. Our focus of attention should be the results that we are getting. And with this process, you are getting healthy and delicious results. And there is also a good side of the story, because you can prepare these waffles and put them in the dehydrator the night before you want to eat them, and then you wake up to this beautiful smell of warm waffles straight from your dehydrator, the oven of the 21st century. And now let's see what is inside of our dehydrator.
Just look at these waffles! Please tell me in the comments, would you like to help yourself with these waffles through your screen right now? Soft as clouds, raw yet warm. Oh no, not yet, because we're gonna add some jam. I easily made the jam by simply blending dried apples and fresh raspberries. Try to resist these waffles. And now, the final taste. Sweet taste of a soft cloud with a hint of lemon and vanilla. Dreams do come true. This is the taste of my childhood.
I truly hope that you enjoyed this video and that you're gonna enjoy these beautiful raw vegan waffles. And just because you stayed until the very end of this video, I want you to get a gift. And that is a discount on the whole raw vegan culinary set.
In the raw vegan culinary set, you get a total of 157 delicious and healthy, low-fat, raw vegan recipes. Soups, dressings, sauces, dips, pasta, cookies, cakes, drinks, spices. Out of that, 40 raw yet warm recipes warmed in the dehydrator, as well as 2 pre-recorded online culinary classes that you just need to follow step by step. For the whole set, you get a discount by using the coupon code tasty and healthy. Click the link below this video, take advantage of this discount and make the transition to a diet of delicious and fresh plant-based foods that contribute to your health and vitality.
And now please let me know through the comments down below this video. Do you think that you're gonna enjoy these waffles? And if you like this video and you do know that you're gonna enjoy these waffles, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please click the notification button, that is the bell icon beside the subscription button, because I am making so much more delicious, healthy and beautiful content for you guys, and I want to make sure that you're gonna enjoy all that deliciousness. Until the very end, I'm sending you my warm regards, and as always, keep glowing, my friends. Bye bye!